30 shocking facts about space. Question 1. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Venus. Question 2. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is Saturn. Question 3. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Uranus. Question 4. How long is a day on Venus? The correct answer is 117 Earth days. Question 5. Which planet rains diamonds? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 6. What happens if you scream in space? The correct answer is no sound is heard. Question 7. Which planet spins on its side? The correct answer is Uranus. Question 8. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? The correct answer is Olympus Mons. Question 9. Which planet has a storm that has lasted over 300 years? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 10. What color is the sun in space? The correct answer is white. Question 11. What is a light year measure of? The correct answer is distance. Question 12. How many Earths can fit inside the sun? The correct answer is 1 million. Question 13. What is the most abundant element in the universe? The correct answer is hydrogen. Question 14. Which planet has the shortest day? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 15. What galaxy is Earth in? correct answer is Milky Way. Question 16. What's at the center of the Milky Way galaxy? The correct answer is a black hole. Question 17. What shape is the Earth? The correct answer is oblate spheroid. Question 18. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? The correct answer is Venus. Question 19. What causes the moon to shine? The correct answer is sunlight. Question 20. What is the name of the first man-made satellite? The correct answer is Sputnik. Question 21. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth? The correct answer is 8 minutes. Question 22. What planet has the Great Red Spot? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 23. What does NASA stand for? The correct answer is NATO, Aeronautics and Space Admin. Question 24. Which moon might have an ocean beneath its ice? The correct answer is Europa. Question 25. Which planet has rings? The correct answer is both. Question 26. What is the densest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Earth. Question 27. What causes a shooting star? The correct answer is meteor. Question 28. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Mercury. Question 29. What is the Kuiper belt? The correct answer is a region beyond Neptune. Final question. What happens to your body in space without a suit? The correct answer is boils and freeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe.